We assume 10 and cube it. To cube it, we go as follows. We insert another 0 before the first 0, which is 100, which we know is the square of 10. We insert another 0 before the two zeros, which is 1,000, which is the cube of 10. If you ignore all the zeros, you're still left with the cube, which is actually one of the 9 cubes that Al-Uqlidisi advises that we memorize in order to perform other operations, such as finding the cube of any tens. This applies to all cubes of tens. Let's consider all the units of cubes from 1 to 9 that Al-Uqlidisi suggests that we memorize. Let's look at 9 cubed, which we know is 729. He suggests that if we add 3 zeros before the number, it becomes a cube of tens equal in number to the number of units. Thus, if we are given any cube of these and we want to extract its side, we extract the side of that number the same way we do if there were no zeros in front. That is one of those we memorized. Next, we take 1/3 the number of zeros and draw it in front of the unit. They become tens. Let's look at the example 64,000. We can say that this is the cube of a number in the place of tens because we know that if we get rid of these zeros, we're left with 64. And we know that the side of 64 is 4, meaning that, in other words, that the cubic root of 64 is 4. So if we take the number 4 and add 1/3 the amount of zeros from this original number, so that would be 1 0, we're given 40. And sure enough, the cube of 40 is equal to 64,000.